I welcome you all ACS online classes. This is a tutorial of Google Classroom. We are going to introduce Google Classroom to interact with the students. Already through Washam app, we send videos. To clear the doubt, we are going to introduce Google Classroom. How to access this Google Classroom? First, we have to open Google page. In this page in corner, we can find out few options are there, which is Gmail, image and sign in option. So if I click on this Gmail option, if we have Gmail account, so we have to sign in through it. One account is there, name of school, which is ACS online classes @gmail.com. If students wants to create their new account, they have to click on this use another account. They will get one options, create account. Then this page will appear. We have to enter the first name. As example, first name is given as Akash. Then last name is Roy. This is example of student name. Then user ID or username we have to write. Then we have to give a password. And you have to confirm the password as well. After confirm the password, if you click on the next, if your username is already available, then you will get few options to set your Gmail username. So from the available option, if you click, this is your username, password already given. We also confirm the password as well. Then if we click on the next, one page will appear. Here it is asking for your mobile number. You have to enter the mobile number, then your date of birth with date, month and year, gender as well. And if I click on the next options, mobile next page will get your mobile number. Google want to verify your mobile number, so they will send one OTP to your registered number. Will get it through SMS in your mobile number. Whatever code you will get, just type it here. Then click on verify. It will verify it. Yes, I am in. Then you have to agree the terms and conditions. Then directly you will reach to this Gmail account. This is your Gmail account. This one is required to access the Google Classroom. After that, in corner, we'll get few dot options. If you click there, we'll get your account and as well as others options or others facilities provided by the Googles. If you drop down it, there you can find out Google Classroom option. If you click on this Google Classroom option, it will take some time to appear. It will appear with your Gmail ID, whatever Gmail ID you now created. Then if I click on continue options, you will enter to the Google Classroom. This window will appear. See this arrow mark plus symbol. If you click on this plus symbol, two options you will get. One is join class and another one is create class. Join class is for student and create class is for the teachers. If you click on this join class option, one small box will appear. Here you have to give the class code. This class code is provided by the school. Suppose as example I can say class 6 having 10 subjects, each and every subjects having their different class code. So if you want to enter to the different subject class as per the routine which is provided by the school, you have to enter to this class code and you will enter to the class. After entering the class, you will get three options. One is stream. In top you can find out classwork and as well as the pupils, and add options. You can add whatever you want. This is the pupil options. That means in your class with teacher how many students are there you are able to see. Then if you click on the classwork option, the classwork or assignment which is given by your teacher, you can find out in two different mode. First one, which is given in picture format. If you click on it, you will get two different options, two different sides. One is you can share all the things with your class, which is known as class comments, and another one, private comments. If you click on this picture, you will get the questions paper or assignment given by the teacher. You can note it down to solve the problem, whatever questions is given by your teacher. Then you can share whatever question is given. After solving it, you can take a snap of this and you can put this picture from the desired location of your device, that means from your phone or computers or laptop. Suppose first picture if I select, and you can find out upload option is there. If you click on this upload option, it will take some time to upload. It is uploaded and it is visible there. Then you can find out one option which is marked as violet, their resubmit or submit option. If you submit it, it is submitted to your teacher. It is submitted to your teacher and you have to click on this turn in option. It will take some time. Your homework is already submitted to your teacher. Your teacher will evaluate it and upload the same after corrected format. Even they can mark it the grade as well. In top corner you can find out 90 out of 100. And this option also you can use to share your views with class by class comments and with your teachers only by the personal comments. So this is the one options by which you can share your homework or assignment given by the teachers and you can submit it. These two options already I told. One is for the class comments, another one is for personal view. Next, another mode we'll see. This one is the picture mode given by the teachers. Another one, Google Drive option. Google Docs also available in Google Drive. That means teacher create their assignment through Google Doc and it is given to you. How can you will reach to this? To reach this Google Docs option, earlier I told two options. Second option, whatever program is written, this one is given in Google Doc form. So if you click on it, you will get a program in Google Docs form. Same both options will appear, one for the class comments and another one for the personal interactions. That means only you can interact with the teachers, others students unable to see this. If teachers given the assignment here, after done it, if you click on this share option, it is directly entered to your teachers document. That means teachers Google Drive options. Teachers can check your assignment, they can grade it and they can return back to it. You will get it from there. By this way, we can interact with the teachers through Google Classroom. Thank you.